Hello, today we will study the function of mosaic design. Now as we can see, it's the interface of 4Design software. Firstly, let's move the mouse to the tools. Then we choose mosaic design. And here in this edit window, we find it from the file. Left click on it, select new wall. Then we see this dialog box and we change the number. The wall wise is 2000 and the height is 2600, and we click new wall. Here in this wall we should pay attention to the right side. Right click on it, add new map group, and then we add a new map group. The name is particle. Okay, then in this particle, right click on it, select add map. Then we find it from the file Mosaic, and then add these particles into the list. And here, now we already see the particles are listed here. So next, what will we do with these particles? So maybe some will wondering, next what will we do? So when we don't want this, we can put mouse here, right click and delete map group. Now we don't want delete it, so we just leave them here and go on the next step. Now as we can see, there are some tools in the toolbars. Left click on it. We can see the from image with so many functions. Then we choose from image, and then we select from the file mosaic from image, and then we choose this picture and click open to add it to our file. Then we can see we can do the mosaic, and here there are some functions. Okay, then first we choose this one, auto color. Then we can move the details. If we move left, it becomes smaller, the particles. We move right, it becomes bigger. So we put it here in the middle and then click undo. Now we'll see it will make mosaic. We need to wait some moments to see the results. Okay, now you already see the result. And if we, in this picture, we can see, we can double click to see it clearly. Then double click on the left, and here we can click on this one, view source image. Now we see the picture before, and then we see this one is replace single. Then we choose color here and remove it to the red particle. Then we see it will change it. And then this one, replace area. Then we move it here and replace the red side. Then we ask you the dialog box, yeah, we replace 100 and click OK. Then this area it will all replaced. And also in the same way, there is a replace wall. Then we pay attention to here the red one, and then we the yellow one. Okay, now you can see the effect very well, right? Okay, and that we can also replace it back, and it's the mosaic function effect. And now we can go on. There is something, adapt some other functions in. Then left click on this tool. Then we will see another one is random. The random, then we need to choose the other random color. Then we choose in a list the the particle. Then we click undo. Then they will use these particles to make a mosaic. And then here we can see so many different styles. 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 1, and 1 times 2. Now we choose 1 times 2 and click undo. Then you will see the different effect. And also we can replace single 2 times 2 and replace area so many, such as this one. And you can see the effect. And also here in this mosaic area we can use the several different kinds of like this. Okay, then in here we can move other picture like this. We go on this function and replace single, replace or replace area. And now we move the mouse to the tools and we see there are gradient tool, and then we choose the gradient one, and we will see the difference. Now you see this one, it's the upper side, it's a little bit light color, and the downside in some deep color. Then we choose another one, gradient 2, and to see the difference. Gradient 2, that is in the upper side part, and the down part is the deep color, and the middle one are some light colors. And then we choose gradient 3. We will see the effect very well. And you see some yellow parts are here, some orange parts here, and we can change, replace area. Then you will see this area. And this area will all become red, and this area also. And it's very cool to see this kind of mosaic effect. And also in our software we can do another function, and here we can save the effect, and we put it on the disk. There are some working draw, rendering, 4DS, and the flip part, and then we click on save. Then they will be saved on the disk. When we see the save file succeeds, then we can go back to the desktop. Then we see the effect. Okay. Then we go on here, Mosaic Design. And here we can see the effect are all here. Now we click on to see it. We can see different particles, and then we find this one, a bill, and it tells us in the name, map, size, and total, and the wall size, part size, and so many different styles, and we can see it very clearly from here. And then close it, and close it again, and we can see there are so many different kinds. Then we go back to the Mosaic Design, this window, and in our software we can have other function that is blank and white. And we choose a new wall, click new. we click on it. From image, we choose another picture. And here, then we click on the blank and white. And here we choose the outer color. And then we do it. We do this part again. Just click new walls, choose sound, and then choose from picture, this one, and then choose auto color and click on do it. It like this, then choose blank and white and do it. Then it will become like this, and this is blank and white function. And then also we can use the auto and we open this one. And it's a 4. Then click on save file. And we can find the file here. In the file, you can see these particles, we just save it there. Okay, that's all for this class, and